Hello, I'm Tyler Serval. This is my new gun thing. How to make a gun. Look at my two guns I've made. Here's one. One's an AK. Doesn't look as perfect as they usually some of them are. Hold on, let me go get my other one. Oh, here it is. Here it is. My SCAR. It looks like a map, but yeah, you can call it that. And this is a glue if you guys want. So yeah. I will be teaching you how to make a paper pistol. A paper pistol with no tape or no scissors, nothing. Okay? You guys want to check me out? I have like one video, this is my first one, so yeah. How to make a paper pistol, here we go. And you guys talk about these guns. I might send one to you guys. Go. I'll give this one away. My friend's fixing up my sniper and my blue and my AK-47U. So yeah, and my crossbow. He's putting on red dot for some of them and verbal zoom for my crossbow. This is how to make a paper pistol. All you need is two papers. No tape, nothing. No. So you get one paper. You roll it tiny. There. Then when you're done rolling it, flatten it out. I'll wait a while for you guys if you guys are doing it. Took me like a day to do this. Actually, a day to figure out what to do. It's really complicated. I'll tell you when the part is when it's hard, because I got tricked on some of them. So yeah. Then you have again the last paper. You do it a little bit bigger this time. So I'll do it that way. So this is gonna be like the tiny one might be the handle. I'll remember, but I made this pistol for my friends have up, trying to fix them up. And you fold this one again. It has to be touching each other. I know people done this on YouTube already, but I just want to do it better. And then I forgot, yeah, there you go. That one inside like this. Looks like a little gun. Then you take this part. You take this part, one of the ends, and slide it in that, so it goes to the other side. Slide it in that little tiny part, yeah. When you've done that, it's good, wait. When you've done that, you do the same for the other one, but you do it over. Hold on, taking me a while. Yeah, I'm not that professional like other people are. Now I just made this up myself. I never looked it up or anything. I just did it myself. There we go. Here's your paper pistol. Told you it was easy and fast. So yeah, see? Here's your pistol. You could do it, and you can move it back. Oh crap. Mine just messed up. I don't know how, but what the hell? But whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna do it better. I know I'm a pro at it, but because I'm on camera, just a little bit nervous. I'm gonna do that. So everyone be careful how you do this. Really, this is the complicated. This is the hard part. When you have to fold it two of them in. There. Here's your paper pistol. You can pull it back. See, look. Pull it back. Do whatever crap you want with it. It's your pistol. One day, I'll show you how to make the guns I have. There we go. So let me show you the guns I have. An AK, pistol, and this thing. Whatever you guys want to call. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. If I didn't show you, I would make. You guys can make one that goes like this. An ammo kit right there, and it does not shoot. For information. So, if you guys thinking this is gonna shoot, don't think that, because it's not gonna shoot. Okay? Thank you for watching, and please comment and subscribe. My first ever video from Tyler Silva. Thank you.